It's Wednesday night. I am filming tonight. I just filmed one video and I'm about to do another video. So this is gonna be like my late night of filming. It's currently 12 o'clock in the morning. I got a box from Thrive Market, so I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered from them. This was actually free with my order. This is a fruit jelly. I'm gonna give this to one of my kids. So I got some chia seeds from Mama Chia because chia seeds are a great source of fiber, protein, as well as omega 3s. I also picked up some nutritional yeast because I am dairy free. This is a really good alternative to cheese, so I picked this up to try in certain dishes that might require cheese, like kind of like a Parmesan substitute. So yeah, then I got this organic spirulina powder. So spirulina is supposed to be really good for you. I've never used it before, but it is from the Aztecs apparently, and it's like a smoothie booster. It has blue green algae. Then I also got some maca powder. So maca powder is full of vitamin C. It's supposed to have a lot of antioxidants, and this is also, I think, from ancient Peru, so it's like South American. Then I just got some organic lentils because I love lentils. These are red lentils and you can make lentil soup and stuff like that with it. I got these Lara bars to have in the car because after work I tend to be really hungry. That's usually like my breaking point after work. So I got this package and I think this has quite a bit in here. There are 16 bars in here, and I don't think I'm gonna eat one every single day, but on days when I'm really hungry, at least I'll have something in the car and I can just munch on this until I get home. There's only 5 ingredients, which are dates, unsweetened coconut, almonds, cashews, and extra virgin coconut oil. So really good in terms of ingredients. It's not anything crazy. I got a couple cans of diced tomato just to have for my pantry. So that's everything that I ordered. I'm really excited to try everything that I haven't tried yet. Alright, so I'm gonna set up for my next video, which I'm gonna do in my living room area. It's gonna be like a sit down talking video about the new year. So let's get into that video right now. I'm going to show you guys a little peek at my vision board, which you guys will have already seen because that video is going up before this vlog. So I just finished recording my 2020 goals video. It's so late right now. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning almost. 12:56. So I need to go take my makeup off. So I'm gonna use this Drunk Elephant makeup remover. It is amazing. I love this. I've been using it for the past week now and it's so good. I'm gonna use this much of the Drunk Elephant makeup remover. So this is the container of the Drunk Elephant makeup remover. It's so good, you guys. It's amazing. Hey guys, so it's Friday night finally. Oh my gosh, this week was so long. It was a crazy week, but it's Friday, so I'm excited. I just got home from work. I'm having some matcha. So I got a bunch of stuff from Boohoo. Just move my bag over, which I do want to do I will do like a try on haul for you guys because I haven't done one in a while. I also want to show you guys some stuff I picked up at Ulta. I actually went to Ulta to get a new Maybelline Super Stay foundation. You guys probably know I love this foundation. It's definitely one of my favorites. Alright, so this is it here, and the shade I have is 356 Warm Coconut. So really love this foundation a lot. While I was at Ulta, I saw these cute little cases. I love these little cute cases. I always fall for them. So BS, I'm not sure how you say this, but I know they're like a luggage line and they have the cutest luggage and accessories. So I do have like a luggage in mind that I want from them, but I saw these little cute bags and I thought this would be perfect because I love having these in my handbags just to compartmentalize things and organize things better. And this one comes with 3 different sizes, so you have a small, medium, and large bag, and you can keep anything in here, and I like that it's kind of see-through so you can see what's in here. A lot of times when things are not see-through, I forget what's in it, and it's just, you know, yeah, I need things that I can see through. I also saw this and I loved it because I do have makeup bags, but this first of all, this is really cute to travel with because the color is just such a beautiful color, and then it has a nice handle, and then on the other side it's also see-through, which you don't always have. Like, so tonight I don't really have any plans besides going to bed. So I think I'll just talk to you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. I'm about to drink some of my green smoothie. I need to go to Costco really quickly. I want to go bright and early so I can be in and out of there. Hello from me and my bun. I haven't vlogged all day, but I was about to make some fresh orange juice, so I figured I would show you guys how I juice my lemons and oranges. So this is the citrus juicer that I use to juice like citrus things, I guess. I'm gonna cut it over here because I don't have a bowl, and then I just Today's a very chill and relaxed type of Sunday. One of my kids is sick right now, so we're just at home chilling. And yeah, so I'm gonna use my Vitamix blender to make the acai bowl. I got this last week and I am obsessed. I love it. It's amazing. Oh, this is dirty. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down somewhere. I always find something. Alright, so this is my acai bowl. Hi guys, so I just finished filming the try-on portion of a Boohoo try-on haul that I'm going to do. I have all the clothes piled up here that I just tried on for you guys. Alright, so I'm about to make some iced coffee. This is what I'm going to use. I'm going to try the Stoke cold brew coffee. This is the sweetened version. It's not too sweet though. It only has 60 calories per 12 ounces, which is not bad at all. I have not tried this one. I've tried the unsweetened one. I also got some agave. This is coconut agave from David's Tea. And then I have some oat milk from Planet Oat. This is the vanilla flavored oat milk. I'm gonna put everything in this little glass right here. And then for the oat milk, it is 90 calories per 240 mLs. So I'm gonna actually measure this out. I think I'm gonna do half a cup instead of a full cup. I don't think I have space for a full cup anyway. I don't think I need agave because this is probably sweet. So I just took a sip without the agave and it's actually sweet. I don't need any extra sweetener, so I'm just gonna have it like this. It tastes amazing. Cheers to you guys. Definitely try this out. Just oat milk and cold brew.